Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this tutorial, I want to take you through the steps of finding the equation of a straight line. Now the question for today reads, find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1/2, 3 with a gradient of m is equal to 3. Now, the general form of the equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where c is a constant. So eventually we must get to that point. All right. Now, to find the equation of the straight line, when you are given such information, you are going to use this equation that says y minus y1 is equal to x, there's m here for gradient, x minus x1. All right. Now we've got our gradient, which is 3, and we'll take our y1 to be 3, our x1 to be 1/2. So now let's substitute those into that equation. We are going to have y minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 is for the gradient. All right. Then x minus 1/2. I can just remove these brackets on this other side. We have y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 3/2. If I take this minus 3 to the other side, it becomes positive. So we are having y is equal to 3x minus 3/2 plus 3. Then we're going to say y is equal to 3x. If I use the traditional methods of adding fractions on that, we are going to have the common denominator is 2. So we are going to have that will give us minus 3 plus 6. Then that simplifies to, we can say therefore y is equal to 3x plus 3/2. Now the equation is in the form of a straight line, and then there's our answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Enjoy your day.